Back now with Great Day Law. Every month we like to sit down with our friend, attorney Lawyer Twillie, aka Lawyer the Lawyer, for some free legal advice.
And today we're talking about something that many drivers may be dealing with right now. I know we are. Sun glare during your morning and your evening commute. So this is, of course, a concern, but nonetheless, we have some expert advice from Lawyer, whose name is Lawyer, and he is a lawyer. How you doing?
Lawyer, yes.
I'm doing great. Expert advice.
Expert advice. No, this just happened to me. I literally stopped because I was trying to leave a parking lot for a doctor's appointment, and there was so much sun glare. I'm like, I can't even see if anyone's in front of me, and I had sunglasses on.
Yeah.
And what's scaring me are the pedestrians too. When you're driving down some local roads and you can't see.
That's right. No,
on the sides.
Tough time of year. Tough time of year.
Yeah.
But you're aware of it now.
Yeah.
So you have to take those extra precautions. So wear your sunglasses.
Okay.
Adjust your visor is something that I would recommend doing.
Yeah.
And just being extra careful. Like you said, pulling out of a parking lot. You know what? Maybe just kind of ease on out.
I mean, and I wasn't sure. I'm like, there's so much glare, and I ended up having to fix the visor, put the sun, and then like really sit up. If you're short, sometimes the visor isn't low enough.
Yeah.
Okay, but anyway, so how does sun glare actually impact driver responsibility if you say there was so much sun glare?
Yeah, you know what? It's not going to negate responsibility if you cause a crash with their sun glare. I mean, we have a statute here in Connecticut that says basically it's a driving too fast for the conditions statute.
Okay.
So if there's sun glare, it's a condition, it's a natural condition. You need to adjust how you drive accordingly. So, you know, the visor, the sunglasses, just double checking before you switch lanes, or, you know, you're pulling up. There's an area on I-84 near East Hartford, or in East Hartford, when you're coming up over a rise and you hit that sun glare just right, and there's oftentimes traffic stopped because it's as you're getting into Hartford. Yeah. And you just have to sort of be aware of where you are, what time of day it is, if there's the likelihood that there's going to be a lot of traffic over that, because you will not see it, and there are accidents there.
Oh my gosh, that is such a hot spot for accidents.
Almost
constantly.
every day.
Yeah, almost every day. You're right. Yeah. And you know, what rights do drivers have if an accident occurs as a result of reduced visibility?
Listen, if you're on the receiving end of the accident, you have full rights. If you're the one that caused the accident, you have less rights, but you need to document it, talk to your insurance company, explain to them what happened, and that will reflect on how they proceed with you. I know I talked about this on another episode when we were talking about fall and the leaves and the frost and slipping on those. Listen, those things happen. Insurance companies, even though they are companies, a lot of the adjusters are people, and there's a human factor that comes into it. So it may help you with rates. It may help you with how much they're willing to help you. So just, you know, explain that to them.
Same thing that you always say, though, is that in our final minute, so quick answer, we still need to call police, and we should say, if you're the person who was doing it, there was so much sun glare I didn't see, or something like that. That should be documented.
100%.
Okay.
Make sure that if sun glare was involved, you let the responding officers know, like, hey, listen, I was coming up over the rise, there was sun glare, this person switched lanes and I didn't have enough time, or, you know, there was a shadow or whatever. Explain that to them, and that might get you out of a ticket.
Would a picture help?
I'm sorry?
Would a picture just of like the situation with the sun help
If it's safe to do so, I always recommend documenting with photographs if it's safe to do so. 100%.
All right.
So listen,
good to know.
Adjust accordingly.
Well, the good news is you can find Lawyer the Lawyer at LALawCT.com and on all social media at Lawyer the Lawyer. And you just text him, email him, talk to him. He'll answer your questions. Thanks so much, Lawyer.
Thank you for having me, Kara.
Thanks, Lawyer.
Thank you, Nicole.
Have a great day, and watch out for that sun glare.
Yeah, I'm going to at 4. Start right now.